guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into it. First thing I'm doing is I'm just taking my spoolie and brushing my eyebrows up into place. Taking this flat angled brush and this Freedom Dip Brow from Superdrug, I'm just going to line the bottom of my eyebrow and kind of follow the natural shape that I already have. If you do have a thinner brow, you can build up at the top more than the bottom. I'll explain it after, that probably didn't make any sense. But yeah, I'm just going in with short, soft strokes, and I'm going to do the same thing at the top. Again, if you have more of a skinny brow and you wanted to make it a bit bigger, obviously you would start off the upper brow line a bit higher. Oh, that was a terrible explanation, I'm sorry. So just carrying on with short soft strokes, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side.
Feeling like you need to be.
One quick tip as well, if you are working with a dip brow or a pomade, start off by using a little bit rather than going in full throttle with a whole lot of product, and you will end up with bulky, boxy eyebrows that are just really dark.
Can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you up inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come and try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can right. Easy, baby.
I'm just going to take my spoolie and distribute that product evenly, making sure things are nice and blended and I don't have any random lines anywhere. Hopefully, obviously some days are better than others. But yes, just brush all the product through the eyebrows and kind of disperse it a little bit. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye if you can see the difference. And then taking this Collection 2000 brow powder, literally my ride or die. I've used this for years. I'm just going to go over my eyebrows again to kind of set that pomade into place. And I'm not using too much. And then to carve out my eyebrows, I'm just using normal concealer, using a little bit at a time. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. You can go in with a brush as well, but I sometimes prefer to use my fingers. I just find it a little bit easier sometimes. Same again on the other side. You start off again, you want to do it in short, soft strokes. You don't want to go full on with the concealer because you might end up with too much. And just blending it out with my finger again. At the top of my eyebrows, I'm just going to go in with my foundation. I find doing this makes my eyebrows look a little bit less floaty and you don't end up with like a really light line, so-called halo brows. If you are wearing foundation, I personally don't like that look, but if you do, then you can go ahead with your concealer if you prefer. I'm just going to take my clear brow gel and brush my eyebrows into place. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick, snappy eyebrow everyday tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.